Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this dollar store vase into something way more exciting using polymer clay. The first thing we'll need to do is pick out the colors we're going to use, and for this particular project I think we're going to go with some cooler tones. Black is going to be my base color, so I'm going to put a lot more of the black in than any of the other colors, and to do that I'm just going to make the canes a little bit thicker and use about 4 of them. Next I'm going to start going in with some of our lighter colors, and I'm just going to make the canes a little bit thinner and place them between the black. Once all your canes are done, you're just going to scoot all of your colors together and kind of roll them up into one ball. Then squeeze your ball into one giant cane and begin at one end twisting all the way to the other end. Once your cane is twisted as much as you think you'd like it, lay it down on a piece of wax paper and begin to roll it out into one large sheet. You can make your sheet large enough to go all the way around the vase, but for this particular project we're just going to make it go about half the size of the vase. And then we're just going to pat the clay down onto the vase to make it stick. Then we're just going to go in with a knife and cut off the excess clay on the top of the vase and then the bottom of the vase. Make sure to pat around the top and the bottom to make sure all the clay sticks properly. To make our edges look nicer, we're going to go in again with a knife, but this time just making a cool swivel design. Then we're just going to pull off that little piece of excess clay. And we'll repeat on the other side. Once everything looks nice, we're ready to make a heart shape to go in the middle. And to do that, we're just going to need to make another one of those little canes, this time a lot smaller. And we're going to use the same technique where we just roll it a little bit and make a nice swirl pattern. Then we're going to take a cookie cutter and just cut out a nice heart shape. We're going to place our heart in the middle of our vase and just press down a little bit to make it stick. Once our vase is complete, we're just going to put it in the oven at 275 degrees for about 25 minutes. After we pull it out of the oven and let it cool, I'm just going to attach it to this little rotator. And then we're going to mix some epoxy resin, 1 part to 1 part. Once we get our rotator going, we're just going to begin by slowly pouring on our resin, and you can use your finger to smooth this out, or you can use a paintbrush. Once everything's nice and glossy, we're just going to let this set overnight so that everything becomes hard. This is our completed project. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I like that you can see through the front a little bit, and I also like that you can turn it around and get essentially 2 different looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.